Chris, great away win for you.
Yeah, of course. I think something we spoke about this season. Our away form last year was particularly good. So it's important that we carry on the same vein this year. And look, I think when you come here, it's a tough place. You know, they're a good team. They've got off to a good start this season. We knew it was going to be a tough game before, and I thought first 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you know, the conditions, the wind was howling in our face. We just had to get through it. We're disappointed with the goals. You know, to concede right at the stroke of half time is a real sucker blow as well. But delighted for Louis Robles to get off the mark. And then second half, we knew we had the conditions in our favour. It was just about putting the foot to the floor and keep pushing and keep pushing. We got 2-2, which was a fantastic finish by ours. And then, you know, look, any balls that bounce in the box, you know, we've got 2 or 3 players that can take advantage of them, and Aaron did that. And look, it's another good win for us to build on Tuesday night to win.
Tony must be very disappointed.
Oh, that's an understatement. Yeah, listen, we got taught a lesson today by an experienced team, and our youngsters have to learn from it. You know, we have spells where for the first 25-30 minutes we were excellent, and yet again we don't come away with what we should have. You know, we're missing chances and we're not punching teams, and then, you know, experienced teams again like today stay in the game and punish us.
It's a good result. It's always a tough place to come, and to be honest, I've not had many points down here when I come down here. It's a long way to come, and they play well, and say today we scored our goals. We kept it tight at the back. We had 2 poor goals really. Obviously one was a brilliant strike, but maybe we could defend it a little bit better. But yes, happy to get 3 points really.